Hey guys, this is the help to contact your teacher. So I'm in someone else's class. It's Ms. W's class. You can click right here where she has it set up. But for any class, you can click where it says inbox right here. And you're going to be able to contact your teacher that way. So let's say I click the button. You'll notice I just had done a test right here. But to email, I'm going to click right here. It says compose a new message. Then I'm going to select the course. I go to favorites. And it depends on the class. So let's say you're sending Mr. Golias a message and we select ET right here. Then it's going to have you select teachers. In this case, here I am, Mr. Golias. And the subject, I'm just going to call it test, or maybe for you it's going to be help. How do and whatever it is you're going to put, thanks so much for your help. And then I can hit send. And then you just sent an email. You can do this again by clicking inbox. That's how you can email any one of your teachers on Canvas. It goes to the Gmail and you can check it on Canvas or just going straight to your Gmail. Hope that helps. Have a great day.